Welcome back to the channel Inspired by R&R. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Ronya, and if you're an OG family member, hey, thanks for joining us yet again for another video. Now, a few months back, I did do a video, and I was using the Luster's S-Curl Activator Gel. Now, I got a lot of criticism about my hair in that video in the comments section. People were saying my hair wasn't type 4, they thought it was type 3, and I just wanted to show you guys this is what my hair looks like without putting any product in it. I do respect everyone's opinion about their hair, but I do identify myself as a type 4 girl. And today's video, I wanted to put the Luster's S-Curl Gel Activator to the test against another curl activator. Today we're going to be comparing the Luster's S-Curl Gel Activator against the Ampro Curl Enhancer. Both of these I got on Amazon, but I'll leave a link down below for you. And if you're interested in seeing the results, just keep on watching this video. Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give you guys an extra couple of texture shots. This is the back. Again, my hair has absolutely no product on it, no leave-in, no gel, no nothing. I got my hair wet and wore it up, like pulled back, and this is how my hair looks in its completely natural state. So anyway, I get into the shower first and I completely drenched my hair with water. And I have my water on, it's not piping hot, but it's definitely not warm. So it's above warm. That way the heat can help penetrate my strands more and open up my hair, because I do have low porosity hair. And my hair is very thick and very coarse. This takes me a good 2 to 3 minutes, girl, to get my hair soaking wet, because it takes forever for the water to get into my hair and penetrate it. Like, that's one of my struggles. And I still struggle with it today. So don't feel bad if, you know, you have struggles with your hair. Like, everybody has their struggles. Like, I have to be in the shower forever, it seems like. So once I get my hair fully soaked in water, then I can go in with a conditioner. I like to put moisture into my hair, so that's why I do not wash my hair first. I get the conditioner, that way I can get the moisture back into my hair for one, and so I can also finger detangle my hair. This is what I do for all of my wash and goes. The conditioner I'm using today is by Texture ID. You can use whatever conditioner you want. It really doesn't matter. It's just something to detangle your hair with. After I got that conditioner out, then I went in also with the shampoo by Texture ID. Again, you do not have to worry about going and purchasing these. This has absolutely nothing to do with how your results are going to turn out. Just make sure you put in a conditioner in your hair and a shampoo, and you'll be good, girl. Okay? After I rinsed out the shampoo from Texture ID, then I went in with one of my favorite deep conditioners. Do not skip this step. If you're a natural, make sure you are deep conditioning your hair every week. I tell people this is like a vital part of a wash and go. You see that I have the Honey Manuka Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner. I put that on my ends, and then I also put that on my scalp. Make sure you're working it all the way up. I split my hair into smaller sections so I can get that all throughout my hair. Deep conditioners are magic for type 4 girls. Deep conditioners are magic for curly girls in general, but especially type 4 girls. So again, I cannot stress it enough. Make sure you deep condition your hair. I like to leave mine on for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, sometimes an hour and a half, just depending on what your schedule's like, but try to hit at least the hour mark. I told you guys that deep conditioning was magic, right? Look at my hair as soon as the hour was up. Like, it feels so moisturized. I know you guys can see that the moisture is in my hair. Look, that's my moisture dance, y'all. Like, check me out, check me out. I decided to pin up one side of my hair so you could see the entire process. And I went with the Luster's S-Curl Gel on the left side of my hair. So that's what you're seeing me do right now. first video I did reviewing this, it does smell like a well-seasoned lady perfume. Shout out to White Diamonds. If you know, then you know. But it has glycerin in it, and glycerin does help restore your hair's proper moisture balance. You can Google the benefits of glycerin, and I think this is why it works so well. And I started with smaller sections, so I'm just using clips, nothing, nothing special. I'm clipping my hair back, and I'm starting with the back of my hair and working my way to the front. Now the Luster's S-Curl Gel, it says that it's anti-frizz, it has olive oil, argan oil, paraben free, and it's a unique gel that will activate your curls in ways without a trace of grease. Also in that video when I reviewed it, I put this on first and I let it dry completely, and then I went on top with Eco Styler Gel, and a bunch of people were asking me in the comments why I did that. Well, that's what the original creator did in her video. And so I did that, but I said, well, in this video, let me just put both of them on at the same time. So we're gonna learn and we're gonna figure this out together to see how the results are, if they are any different than the last video. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going in with the S-Curl Gel Activator. And while my hair is still wet, as you can see, and I'm finger detangling it, then I put on the green bottle of the Eco Styler Gel on top. That's going to be the olive oil one for all of you that are wondering. In order to conserve the time here on this video, I'm just going to show you one more section. As you can see, I separated, put the clip on, and then I did the exact same process. I added some extra water. If you feel like your hair is getting dry, just get you a spray bottle, add some more water, or just put your hair, under the shower head. See, again, just getting that S-Curl Gel, going back in, and just putting that back on my hair first. After I put that from, all the way from the ends to, the scalp part of my hair, then I went in immediately with the Eco Styler Gel on top. That's all I did. And now you're going to see one side completed, and I'm going to pin it back. And now we're going to start with the Ampro side. And upon opening it, this stuff, it smells better than the Luster's, but not by much. It smells like pine sol, like lemon, like some type of cleaning solution with lemon in it. Ampro also has glycerin in it and olive oil and aloe, and says that it controls thirsty curls and waves. Anyway, I did the exact same thing that I did on the other side of my hair, except for I just used the Ampro. Now, starting with the smallest section in the back, clipping my hair over, adding some water to it with the spray bottle, and then going immediately on top with the Eco Styler Gel. And that's what you see here. I mean, pretty much self-explanatory. Again, I didn't want to make this video too long, so this is what it looked like after I finished everything. I finger detangled, put the Ampro on top, then I added some water, then added the Eco Styler Gel. And these are the final results with my hair completely wet. It hasn't dried. You can see the left side and the right side. Which side do you guys think is going to be the one that looks better once my hair is dry? Drop a comment down below if you think you know. So several hours later, my hair is completely dried. I am showing you both sides. This is how the hair looked. I haven't touched my hair for several hours, and I did not stretch my hair. I didn't do any manipulation. I didn't twist it. I didn't braid it. I didn't put a blow dryer to it. I didn't put any banding strings or elastic bands to stretch the hair. This is how my hair dried. It is 6:04 in the evening. My hair finally dried. I have low porosity, so we started filming this morning, and now my hair is finally dry. And these are the results. I haven't touched it. I haven't done anything. I haven't stretched my hair. This is how the hair looked. So remember, this was the S-Curl side, and this was the Ampro side. Drop a comment down below before I even say what my thoughts are. I think even though the Luster's S-Curl side is a lot more shrunken than the other video I did, I think this side looks better. I feel like the Ampro side, it's just missing something. Like I don't know what's going on with this side, but I did figure out in the other video, I let the S-Curl gel or the S-Curl Activator, whatever you want to call it, I let that dry on my hair first before applying the Eco Styler gel on top. And this is the difference that it makes. So if you apply both of them together, your hair will get a much tighter curl look versus if you do not apply them together and you do them separately, it'll be more elongated. Let's see, let's do the fill test. No residue, doesn't feel greasy, doesn't feel tacky. So that is I guess a pro. No residue, doesn't feel tacky or greasy. So both of them, you're not gonna feel any residue or anything. Let's turn around and get a full shot of everything. Remember, this is the luster side and this is the Ampro side. And of course, we have to add some oil because we don't want any frosted flakes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add the oil now into my scalp. Make sure, and if you're wondering, I'm using the Ursapplied oil that I reviewed their line in another video. I'll drop it down below. And we're done putting the oil in our hair. So that's, I guess, the end of this review. Let me know down below what you guys think overall. Do you like the more shrunken, tighter curl look? Do you like the more elongated curl look? Let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that like button. If you made it this far already, you might as well. You're gonna keep coming back anyway, right? And until next time, everyone, peace.